Welcome to this journey into the world of meditation with your guide, Stephan. Today, we start by exploring the essence of meditation, a practice rooted deep in history, used by civilizations across the globe to foster peace and enlightenment. Meditation isn't just a trend, it's a powerful tool backed by centuries of tradition. Stephan will unravel how this ancient practice has evolved and endured, highlighting its relevance in today's fast-paced world. By understanding its origins and development, you'll appreciate not only how to practice it but also why it remains a vital component of personal well-being. Meditation offers a myriad of benefits that extend far beyond simple relaxation. It fundamentally reduces stress by shifting your body's response to pressure, promoting a state of calmness. Additionally, it nurtures emotional health, easing symptoms of anxiety and depression. A regular meditation practice fosters enhanced self-awareness, helping you understand your thoughts and emotions better. It also sharpens your attention span, making it easier to focus in all aspects of life. Ultimately, these benefits contribute to an improved overall well-being, granting you a healthier, more balanced life both mentally and physically. Selecting the right type of meditation practice is crucial, as it needs to complement your lifestyle and personal preferences. Mindfulness meditation teaches you to stay aware and present in the moment, suitable for those seeking greater cognitive focus. Transcendental meditation, involving mantra chanting, is perfect for those who prefer structure and are searching for deep relaxation. Guided visualization directs your focus to mental images, ideal for boosting creativity and motivation. By understanding these different practices, you can choose one that best supports your personal development goals, ensuring a more fulfilling and personalized meditation experience. Setting the stage for your meditation practice is pivotal for reaping its full benefits. Begin by creating a tranquil environment, free from distractions, to foster a peaceful state of mind. Choosing a comfortable position is essential, whether it's seated, lying down, or even walking, as comfort directly influences your ability to stay focused and relaxed. Additionally, wearing non-restrictive clothing enhances your physical ease. Timing also plays a critical role. Identify a moment in your day where interruptions are least likely, allowing you to maintain regularity and deepen your practice. These preparations lay the foundation for a successful meditation experience. Experience the transformational power of meditation through a guided session with Stephan. In this practice, he will lead you through a series of step-by-step instructions, ensuring that both beginners and seasoned meditators can follow along comfortably. This guided approach helps in nurturing a focused and calm mindset, as you're taken through the techniques that encourage relaxation, awareness, and connectivity to the present moment. Ideal for those seeking a structured meditation experience, this session offers a practical demonstration of the techniques discussed, allowing you to immediately apply what you've learned and feel the benefits firsthand.